What's up, lifers? Gonna do a couple of projects. Before we get there, I want to tell y'all Spice is home. Hope we figured out what the problem was all along. She's feeling a little bit better. Gonna take a lot more time, but hope she's back to normal pretty quick. Got her on a lot of antibiotics right now. She's getting them when she does treatment. She's feeling a little bit better. She had treatment day. She's kind of rough, but that's how it is. Let y'all know what day this is. This is gonna come out tomorrow. Day is Saturday, May the 11th. A lot of these videos y'all been seeing been over a month old. I'm just getting around to getting them up with James quitting. Kind of the way it goes. Alright. Be back here in a second to tell you what we're gonna. Alright. Ever since I built these pontoons, I've hated looking at them. So they stick out. I'd say what I want to say, but I'm going to keep it friendly. But they stick out. So I'm going to paint them close as I can to match the kayak. And this is supposed to stick to plastic. But I don't know if it will or not. And I'm not the best painter in the world. I won't make y'all watch all my painting. But I just wanted y'all to see basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to come in with a base coat of green because that's what the kayak is. And I'm going to hope they're dry by in the morning with this ridiculous weather we've been having, but it's supposed to be pretty tomorrow. Y'all know what that means. We're going to go do a little fishing. Alright, I'll come back and show y'all the finished product. I got another project I'm going to do, it'll all be on this same video. The paint I'm using is Rust-Oleum camouflage, 2x ultra cover. It says it adheres to plastic. We're going to find out. I hope it meant PVC too. Got one base coat on. Let it dry, and then I'm going to camouflage it because that's what rednecks do. Alright, be back. While the outriggers are drying, I'm going to try to put some foam padding on my bed extender. Just a pool noodle. I don't know how well this is going to work. Y'all watch my videos enough to know I'm just winging it. Let's see if we can get that to wrap on there. I will show y'all the finished product here in just a second. That worked out ace. And that right there is going to make the kayak last a little bit longer, not get so beat up riding on that damn bed extender. Alright. I'm finna close this one out, people. Y'all might wonder, why is he bringing us a video doing all this when he could be fishing or hunting, or anything. Well, since the last fishing video, which was with Fat Rob, I bet we've had 10 more inches of rain. So I'm doing this under the shed here. Something I'm trying to bring y'all 3 videos a week, and I figured some of y'all might like it. If you don't, let me know. It's me doing something. But tomorrow's supposed to be pretty, and by Tuesday, if I catch any fish, y'all will see that video. Alright. I'll come back when I get through doing the camo on the outriggers. There's the finished product. I know with all these shadows and the shadows I added to it, you probably can't tell Jack Doodah. But that's what y'all gonna get to see until y'all see it on the boat. Hopefully tomorrow, kayak, boat, whatever. I get in trouble for calling a boat at the house. They let me know it's just a kayak. Alright, life is short one, I hope. It may come out longer than I want it to. I'm not in love with what the pontoons look like by now, but it looks better than 2 big old white knobs sitting off on the side of it. I'm impressed with the pull note I put on the, I don't know why I'm impressed, but I am. That I put on the bed extender, keep from scratching and beating the kayak up so bad. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all like it, share it, subscribe it. Go tell Spice y'all glad she's home. I'm glad she's home. Glad she's feeling a little bit better. Y'all know the rest of it. We gone.